Today we'll be talking about the message tile. This is a helpful tile to give you the opportunity to create a custom message to your operator who's near the tablet, or even send that message to someone else in the company via email. Now we can look a little bit deeper to that. Let's go to Learn New Job, and slide in one of those message tiles. To actually display that custom text, you're going to want to type that into this box up top. For example, for now we'll say maybe parts bin is full. Let's correct that. Parts bin full. There we go. Now, with this message tile, the job's going to come through until it gets to this tile and then display parts bin full. If you want to actually audibly say this coming from the tablet, we can do that. And we can actually preview that.
Parts bin full.
There you go. You can hear the audible output from the tablet saying the parts bin is full, and the actual window showing up on the tablet notifying the operator in the area. Now if you want to notify someone outside of the area, you can do that through email, and you'll select the person from this drop-down list when they are set up in the actual owner info tab in the settings page, which we'll go over in a different video. So the next time you need to create a custom message to the operator or anyone else when a robot gets to a point in the job, you can do that with a message tile.